One of the most challenging parts of teaching in emergencies is that it can feel like things are constantly changing. One day, you might be meeting with students in person, and the next day, classes are canceled or classes are moved to an online format. If you are teaching in an emergency setting, it can be helpful to have a plan ready to transition quickly from in-person to distance learning. First, we must identify our students' needs. Do they have access to electricity, internet, computers, phones? Do they have their own phone, or will they be sharing a phone with other family members? In settings without stable electricity and internet, phones can be a powerful way to provide instruction. You will want to be careful with how much data students will need to use and how much battery time they will need. You also will want to try to limit the number of texts you are sending students. For some families, multiple people may be using the same phone, and it can be frustrating to be receiving many texts from many different people and from many different teachers. We should let family members know at what time we plan to send the daily assignment, and then send it at that time as much as possible. If we are using a texting platform, we might create a template that we use each day that has the key information students need. For example, we might include the learning goal, steps for completion or for achieving that goal, and what students need to submit. We can use visuals to help families understand what we are asking. In using the same format each time we are giving instruction via text, our students will know what to expect, which we know is a trauma-sensitive teaching strategy. It will also save us time. We can also use the microphone to provide verbal instructions to go with the slide that we share with students. Whether we are teaching the in-person classroom with limited resources, or if we are teaching in emergency settings, the most important thing for us to focus on is the learning goal. Backward design means starting with the learning goal, what we want students to know or to be able to do. Then we identify how we will know that they have met the learning goal. This is the assessment. And finally, we create learning activities to help students meet that goal. Whether we are in person or online, using computers, textbooks, boxes, or phones, we can have the same learning goals for our students. The learning goals never have to change, even though the activities might have to be changed depending on our context.